You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it. You will lose. You will embarrass yourself. You will suck at something. There's no doubt about it.
You are going to incur a lot of disappointment, a lot of failure, a lot of setbacks, a lot of defeats, a lot of pain. But in the process of doing that, you will discover some things about yourself that you don't know right now. What you'll realize is that you're more powerful than you can ever begin to imagine. What you will realize is that you're greater than your circumstances, that you don't have to go through life being a victim. For those of you that have experienced some hardships, don't give up on your dreams. There are rough times that are going to come, but they have not come to stay. They have come to pass.
One of the best things that could ever happen to anybody is hitting rock bottom. For a couple reasons. I mean, I've seen anybody that's ever done anything big in their lives, they will share with you about a moment of hitting rock bottom. The reason why rock bottom is very, very important is because it tells you nothing comes easy. You know, you yourself, when you hit rock bottom, you learn a lot about yourself when you hit rock bottom because you find out what you really are made up of.
That's why we love to invest in entrepreneurs and Shark Tank that have been battle tested. Failure is what makes you strong.
You make decisions and come out of things when you hit rock bottom and you start realizing this thing goes by like this, life goes by pretty quickly, and how you respond when you hit rock bottom will say a lot about your life.
Use the setback as an opportunity to reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time.
Can't turn back the clock, right? The only thing you can do is learn from it, and hopefully you'll never make the mistake again.
Ask yourself what you learned from the experience and how you can use that knowledge to move forward. Think about your strengths and what you're good at. Remind yourself of past successes and use those positive experiences as motivation to keep going.
Some of you have been knocked out by life. And you got up and saw the blood, he hit me. Sometimes in life, you have to hit back.
Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, take action to make things better.
It's not always going to be easy. They're not going to give it to you. They're not going to give you success. They're not going to put it on the platter. But if you're willing to work for it, if you're willing to put the sweat, the blood, the tears, if you're willing to earn it, every single thing I go through, I remember I was hungry and I draw from it. Every single time I'm going through pain, I remember that I've gone through pain since I was a kid. I draw from it. Recycle your pain.
Set goals and create a plan for how you're going to achieve them.
Get something from it. You're already in pain. Use it. Do something with it. Allow it to take you to the next level. Allow your pain to push you to greatness. I challenge you. I challenge you. I challenge you to be the best. And do everything you could possibly do before you do this place.
We are all different. However bad life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. While there is life, there is hope.